everyone! Today we're going to be looking at the WAINLUX L6. This is their 10-watt spot compression laser. We also find our rear module, our front module, our laser module, air pump right there, a USB cable, parts that are needed to assemble it and to work with our laser machine, including like a brush, some material such as craft paper part. I think that's a replacement part for one of our laser modules. Soft air pipe, I believe. This is pretty easy to operate and easy to install. You would only need 12 screws for a quick assembly. First, I laid all the modules in its correct position and then I screwed it in. Connected the X-axis module that goes in the center and holds our laser module. Then I connected the X-axis slider group to the laser module. Guide wire that's protruding out of the right side of the rear module over here, and I'm gonna just guide it across to the center of the laser module, across to the laser module. Next, I'm gonna connect the air pipe from the laser module to the air assist pump, and I'm also going to use a cable tie to make sure everything is neat and tidy and is out of the way. Along with the laser engraving machine, I'm also going to use this honeycomb protection table / cutting pad that will help me dissipate the heat better as well as protect my surfaces. This unit is sold separately from the engraving machine and is not included in the package. It has an excellent structural design that is stable and sturdy. It has metal and plastic body parts with a front opening design that is very convenient for placing and removing objects. Next, I'm going to take the TF card from the TF card slot in the rear module, and I'm going to connect it to the USB stick that's given so that I can put it in my computer to install the driver. We also need to connect our laptop to the machine via the USB-C cable that was provided. You can also get the mobile version of this software by going to the QR code that was listed on the instruction manual, downloading the software, and then connecting it to Bluetooth. On the app, there is a quick menu to a variety of options that you can use, such as pictures, camera. You can see the materials, graffiti, text, as well as add QR codes. You can engrave anytime, anywhere with the app, as well as do offline engravings so that you can use your phone while the app is running in the background. See engraving speed of up to 12,000 millimeters per minute, and it's assisted by a 75 kPa power assist pump. Instruction manual, I need to have a width of 400 millimeter and a height of 400 millimeter, as well as an S value max of 10,000. Over here, I'm gonna do a test engraving with the word Lightburn in it. You do have to make sure that you're plugged into your computer using the USB cable that was provided. And over here, you can see that I completely messed up. The Lightburn logo was way too big for my wood piece. But this machine is very beginner friendly. It was able to detect the wood piece and not go beyond the edges. If you have more questions about how to use Lightburn, there is a document called Lightburn Docs on their website that you can read and figure out what to do. Next, I'm gonna do a first project, which is to create a name tag for my cat. I use the circle tool to create some circles for the outer corner as well as a small little circle for the inside. I use the lettering tool to write my cat's name as well as change the font and coloring. Preview tool, I can see how the laser machine will cut the circles and I can adjust it accordingly. After looking at recommendations online, I was able to adjust my cuts and layers panel. The solid lines of the circle indicates a line mode, while the inside dotted line indicates an engraving, which is indicated as fill. I also adjusted the speed and power, and then I let the machine do its magic. If you're a complete beginner to laser engraving and have no idea what settings to use on Lightburn, I would highly suggest going online and getting some Lightburn files that's already available and test out your materials. You could do a test card like this and know what settings to use for the future. The WAINLUX engraver also has tilt angle protection. So anytime during the machine engraving process, if the machine is moved, tilted, or vibrated significantly, the 15 plus or minus 5 degrees engraving will immediately terminate and the laser output will return to standby mode to timely protect your and your family's safety. The WAINLUX L6 is very versatile and can cut a variety of carving materials. Most non-transparent materials such as cardboard, cardstock, wood, fabric, leather, stone, ceramics, stainless steel, etc. can be directly carved. I think I need to test some more to figure out the perfect settings. I also tested this plexiglass or acrylic, and I attached a black car film on top of the plexiglass just so that it can cut through the acrylic. Now I had to change settings a bunch of times because I wasn't sure about the exact settings. So some parts of this is burnt, but a lot of it turned out really well and I'm impressed by it. So the next time, since I know the proper settings, I can use it properly. You can find more information about this product in their website, WAINLUX.com. They have a lot of details, including video tutorials and other information. They also have some of their other product series, and they have support as well as their softwares within their website, including the user manual, software downloads, as well as video downloads. Next, you can check them out at Amazon. This is their Amazon link, and you have a lot of information in there as well. If you'd like to learn more about this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.